Hey guys, it's Desiree and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to peel and cut a plantain the proper way. A plantain is a type of banana that's used in a lot of Latin dishes. These bananas need to be cooked before you eat them since they contain a lot more starch than the bananas you would eat as a fruit. You can steam, boil, fry, or bake them. Plantains come in two colors, green and yellow. Green plantains are not ripe and have a savory flavor when they're cooked. Yellow plantains are green plantains that have ripened, so they have a sweeter taste. The longer you let them ripen, they'll begin to turn black, but that doesn't mean they're spoiled. Those are even sweeter than the yellow ones with some black spots. Even though plantains are bananas, they don't peel easily like the bananas you snack on. First, let me show you how to peel a green plantain. They have a much harder peel that you won't be able to peel by hand. With a knife, cut off both ends of the plantain. Using the tip of the knife, carefully slit the peel along the length of the plantain, only cutting as deep as the thickness of the peel. Do this again on the other side. You may need to use a knife to help loosen the peel from the banana. Sometimes pieces of the peel may still be on the banana. You can cut those off with the knife. Slice the plantain into pieces. To cut a yellow plantain, cut off both ends just like you would do for the green ones. Slit the peel with the knife along the plantain on both sides. Since these are ripened, they are much softer and the peel comes off easier. Then you can slice them and that's it. Now that you know how to cut green and yellow plantains, you can make any recipes that call for either one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if there are any kitchen tips and tricks that you want me to show you, let me know in the comments below. Head over to my website at ricanvegan.com if you want to check out some of my delicious plant-based recipes. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Also hit the bell to get notified of when I post new videos. If you're not following me on social media, go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Since you made it this far in the video, why don't you check out one of my other videos by clicking here, and while you're at it, click over here to subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post new videos. There's going to be a new video coming out next week where I'm cooking up something new and delicious, so stay tuned.